everyone, welcome to Minimal Mindful Mama. I'm Katie Mixon and I love helping busy moms to declutter and organize their lives so that you can spend less time cleaning and organizing and more time living the life that you want to live. Today I have 10 easy, quick declutter ideas for you that should take you under 5 to 10 minutes. So if you are needing something quick to do to get started, or if you don't have much time to work on decluttering today, or if you just need to accomplish something to get you going and motivated, these are some great ideas of things that you can do that are quick, easy, and will get you started decluttering. So the first thing that you can do that I personally feel can make a big difference is to just take out your trash or your recycling. Especially if you have a lot of boxes piled up, this can add unnecessary clutter, and especially if you're a person who gets overwhelmed visually, this can be really helpful because you can simply remove it from your home, take it outside to your trash or recycling bins, and immediately have a much less stressful, clutter-free space. This is a really simple task. It doesn't require any mental energy of going through things or deciding if you should keep them or not. It's a simple matter of taking things that have already been designated trash or recycling out to the trash and recycling, and can give you that feeling of a small win to help you get started. My second tip is to go through your mail pile. If you bring in your mail and add it to a bin or basket or a pile, an easy decluttering thing to do is to go through this and to eliminate anything that is not important. Going forward, I always recommend that you immediately throw out any junk mail right when you get it from your mailbox. But if you do have this area in your home that's designated for the mail, this is a great time to throw out anything that is outdated or is junk or that you no longer need. My third tip is to clear your desk. It's really easy to accumulate things on our workspaces that we've been using or we may need. If you drink coffee while you work, I've found that I often have a mug sitting on my desk. So this is an area of your home that can quickly accumulate clutter, and by clearing it off, you not only will have done some decluttering, but you also will have a much more relaxing workspace, which can directly affect how your day goes. My fourth tip is to clear your bathroom counter. This is another area that things tend to get left out on, or that can quickly fill up with all the little things that we use day to day. By going through this and removing any empties and simply putting away the things that perhaps got left out in the moment, and then you can give your counter a good wipe down and you can feel like you have accomplished something to start off your day. If you're enjoying these tips so far, be sure to like this video and subscribe to my channel down below. If you ring that little bell button, you'll get notified every time I upload a new video, so you won't miss out on any of my helpful tips or content. The fifth area that you can clear is your kitchen table. If you are very disciplined and have a nightly tidy routine, this might perhaps already be done. However, I find that there are always those off days when perhaps you didn't get to the dishes, or perhaps some items got left out that you were meaning to put away. And so this is a great, easy, quick area that you can tackle to give yourself that small win. Number 6 is to go through your purse, handbag, or wallet. I don't know about yours, but even though I try to keep mine relatively minimal, there are always pieces of paper or receipts or just random items that accumulate in my handbag. Different hair clips or earrings, perhaps from myself or my children, that I wanted to keep safe to be brought home, but that got removed in the process of our day-to-day, just accumulate in there and tend to clutter up my handbag. So this is a really good area that you can quickly and easily go through and declutter and just do a simple clean out every now and then. Similarly, number 7 is to go through your kids' backpacks. Now, I know that it's currently summer, so if you haven't done this at the end of the school year, this is a great time to go ahead and do that, and then you can wash those backpacks and store them away for the start of the next school year. But if that's something you've already done, then it's not something you really need to worry about. But it is a really good thing to keep in mind to try to do on a somewhat regular basis every few months, so that you can make sure that it's nice and clean and that it isn't accumulating excess clutter. My 8th tip for you today is to put all your donations in your car. A lot of times we have boxes or bins or bags of things that we mean to donate that just sit in our closet or in our bedrooms and that never actually get taken out and taken to the store. In my experience, it's been really helpful to remove these items from my home, and simply by putting them in the trunk of my car, that way they're out of my house and then they're there next time I'm out running errands and happen to be passing by the store, and I remember to do that quick drop off because I have it with me and didn't have to actually remember to put it in the car, creating an extra step for me to get those donations to the store. Going forward, I recommend just doing this right away. When you have a bag or a box that fills up, simply put it in your car right away to be donated. But if you do have any of these sitting around in your house, then go ahead and move those to your car right now. My 9th tip is to go through your cleaning supplies. Sometimes we try a new product or someone gives us some items and we don't actually end up using them regularly, since we all tend to have our cleaning supplies that we love and use and return to. If you do have any of these extra items that you really don't see yourself using in the future, that maybe you tried once or twice, or maybe you haven't even tried at all, you can go ahead and either pass those on to a friend or throw them out. If you haven't used it by now, you're probably not going to. And my 10th quick, easy declutter tip is to go through your books, and if there's any books on your shelf that you have no intention of ever reading again, you can go ahead and declutter those. You can donate them at Goodwill, you can take them to a little free library near you, you can post them in your local Buy Nothing group. But if you have those books that you started reading or that you read and you really didn't enjoy it that much, or perhaps it was one of those kind of one-time read books that's like a reference type of thing, you really don't need to hang on to it. Of course, books that you love and will reread, or that you loved and want your kids to read, you're going to want to hang on to those because those are important and valuable to you. So I'm not recommending decluttering the books that you did actually really enjoy. But if there are ones that you weren't really a fan of, that you know for sure, I'm never going to read this book again, you can go ahead and pass those on. Well, those are my 10 quick, easy decluttering tips to give you that win and motivation that you need. Let me know in the comments below which of these you're going to be tackling today, or if you have a go-to item or area that you like to declutter or clean when you need an easy win. Thanks so much for watching. I really hope you enjoyed this video. Don't forget to like and subscribe down below, and I will see you very soon in the next video.